Welcome back, everybody. You ready for a tool haul? Today I have some Wright wrenches, Wright grip wrenches that I want to show, and one special wrench that I think you're going to laugh at. And I also got some Ulsa 1/4 inch socket holders, and I'm going to show those to you. Alrighty, come on back. This is normally how I keep my 1/4 inch sockets in these trays. Matter of fact, all my chrome are in these trays. And it's been nice, but here recently I've been doing more and more interior work, doing panels and stuff like that. And this is a good tray. It's Hanson, made in the USA, but it's just kind of flimsy, and you know, these are all flimsy and stuff like that. So I've had this for a long time. It says Blue Point, and it's actually a mechanics time saver, I'm pretty sure. Nice unit, real nice. Nice strong magnet and stuff like that. Holds all the way up to 15, so that's nice, but it's not marked, and I really wish it was marked. So I end up getting these from Ulsa tools, and they look pretty nice. I like the colors. I like the fact that they are marked. The one thing that I don't like right off the bat, it only goes to 14, and my set goes to 15. I'm not really sure that's a big deal yet or not, but let's switch them over. Be right back. Here they are. They look really great. I love the looks of them, but I'm missing the 4 on the metrics, and still the 15s are not in it. I can move everything down one, but then that would defeat the purpose of having them marked, so I know which ones I'm missing. And then the standards look really nice, and I like the fact they have a place for a 5/8 in these. 1/8, I don't think I've ever even seen a 1/8, honestly, but I like the fact they have the 5/8. So I'm going to check Tecton and see if they have a 5/8 socket so I can complete this set. But I do like how they stay in there. I like how rigid it is. I know sometimes people buy stuff on color alone, which I know is stupid, but you know, you spend the money, you gotta look at it every day. You might as well enjoy it, if you can afford it. These were 20, one was just under 20, one was just over $20. Got them in three days from Canada, from Olsa. So great shipping time, very fast. But I wanted to show these. Haven't used them yet. This is just an overview, of course, but just to look at them, everything else, I like them a lot. My only complaint really is I wish that they had a spot for a 15. But we'll see how they go. So these are my Wright wrenches, and this is in my my cart. And I have really come to love these wrenches. I know these are technically more of an industrial wrench, and most of this I bought used off of eBay, and I figured why not. They have a lifetime warranty on it. They're made here in Ohio, and so I thought I'd give them a try, and I bought a small set that somebody had. Was used, wasn't complete by any means, and I liked them so much that I kept adding to them, and kept adding, and recently 7/16 is where I started, but I recently just got the 3/8 in. The oops, there you go. That one, and this one to complete my sizes. And I had these all the way up to 1.5 inches. I am missing the 1 and 3/8 so far. Actually, I have wrenches bigger than this, but in my Wright grip, this is a big, well, I got one more wrench bigger than this. I'm going to show you that in just a little bit. But the 1.5 inches is the biggest one in my cart. And these are the Wright grips. And they call them Wright grips because of the inside of these. And you see how they're made? So they don't grab on the corners, they grab on the flats. And they have this extra texture in here to make sure they grab on the flats themselves. Now these are technically an industrial wrench, as you can see, sort of a satin finished, and they are on the thick side, just like that. And I mean, I don't really care about how shiny they are and how pretty they are. I want a wrench that I can trust and everything else. Up to 1.25 inches, they all have a flat beam like this, and I wish the bigger ones did too. Again, satin finished, nice. I mean, at least for my big old hands, I like the feel of them. USA made, again here in Ohio, and they all have the what they call the Wright grip. This is their patent design. And if anybody is looking for a great wrench they can depend on, now I bought all of these off eBay. The smaller ones were brand new. The rest of them were used, and I've had no issues with them whatsoever. I haven't had to do a warranty, so I can't tell you how good the warranty is, good or bad, but the wrenches themselves, I love them. The fit is great, the length is great, just a super good, honest wrench. So if you guys are looking for something and you're not all caught up in tool truck brands, everything else, I would highly recommend these. They make them in metric also. I only have one currently in metric. And I haven't really focused on metric because I have my Mac precision torques, which I love. But these Wright wrenches are my standard wrenches. I used to have Cornwell before this, and there's nothing wrong with the Cornwells, except for they don't actually make the exact model that I bought. But I still have them here. I'm sure you guys that work in equipment and stuff like that, you always know you might need two of the same size wrench to break a fitting loose, or a line apart or something like that. So I keep the Cornwells in my big box. But I just want to show these off, and honestly I think in this whole set I don't think I have more than 200, maybe $250 with shipping. So their deals are out there to be had, and like I said, I bought them a couple pieces at a time, lifetime warranty. Now I want to show you a really good deal that I got on a Wright wrench, and it makes me laugh. Hold on, be right back. So when I was ordering my, my inch and 3/8, which I'm still waiting on, going through the listings, I saw that there was a wrench and the starting bid was $20. It's a big wrench, and I upped the price. I placed a bid on it, I believe for $30. And shipping on it was $30. It's a big wrench, so it makes sense. And I won the wrench for $26 plus the $30 shipping. And I would like to show you what I got. Two and 3/4. Yep. I don't know if I'll ever need that or not, but if you guys know CP the Tool Addict, he was showing a big wrench that he's doing with a promotion, and I got this the day he showed that first video, and I started laughing. I mean, look how my hand basically fits in this wrench. This wrench is crazy big. I didn't really expect to win it, because this wrench new is right around $400 new, depends on where you get it from. And I got it used, or at least the listing says used. Just some scratches on it, but I don't, if it's been used, it hasn't been much. Big old shank on it. I mean, look at my, compared to my hand. That is just crazy. So, like I said, if you guys keep your eyes open, you can find great deals. Yeah. That's a wrench. I don't really know what to say. Yeah. Big old wrench. So that's my tool haul. The Ulsa socket holders, sorry, with my Tecton in it. I wish it would carry all the sizes that I have, but I think it's a really nice holder, and I wanted it because here recently I've been doing some interior work and installing strobes, electronics, radios, or reinstalling old radios technically, GPS cameras, stuff like that, and getting into interiors and stuff like that. And it's really nice that I can pick up that whole socket set, and because it's magnetic, less chance of it falling out, losing it, and everything else. The Blue Point one, which again I'm pretty sure is not Maximizer, Mechanics Time Saver. It's a great product too. The only reason why I went with the Ulsa was because they had the markings on it, and I like my socket holders when possible to have the size on it. That way, if I'm missing one or they fall out, I know exactly when I put them back what I'm missing, if I'm still missing anything or not. Personal preference. That's all it was. And then the Wright wrenches, I can't say enough good things about them. I'm not a sponsor. Just a guy who works on equipment, who likes a good heavy-duty wrench. And after the Facom wrenches, which was a nice wrench, don't get me wrong, I went to try these Wright wrenches and been happy. Besides filling out my set, I have not looked at any other wrenches. Although working on this thing, I might be looking at some half moon wrenches. That might be in my near future, but for regular wrenches, I'm very happy with the Wright grips. I actually want to start trying some more of the Wright Tool Company's other products. So there might be a future Wright Tools video. Don't know yet. Haven't gotten that far yet. But yeah, I hope you like it. And at the end of this, after this, I'm going to try to show some pictures or some videos of stuff I worked on. As of the filming of this, it wasn't been a very exciting week, mostly tires. But let's see what I have saved up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see more of my daily life. I don't post every day, but fairly often. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications. And stay tuned. All right. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Ciao. Oil drain plug out of a Ford V8. Apparently, a previous mechanic stripped the threads, and his fix was to space it out so good threads will be catching, and then an O-ring like that to seal it. It worked, but now we have to fix it. Yay.